Have you ever wondered why some homes lose peace, money starts slipping away, and family relationships quietly fall apart, yet nothing obvious seems wrong? Mufti Menk reminds us that the smallest habits inside our homes can open the doors to hardship without us realizing it. And one of the most powerful places where these habits begin is the kitchen. What you keep there, how you behave there, and the energy you create in that space can either bring barakah or remove it completely. Today, we're uncovering 7 hidden things in your kitchen that may be silently harming your family and your risk. Wasting food is one of the strongest reasons barakah disappears from a home. When a family cooks more than they need, throws away leftovers, or lets food spoil due to carelessness, they unintentionally block the blessings Allah places in their sustenance. Food is a gift mentioned many times in the Quran, and treating it lightly shows ingratitude, even if done without intention. Every grain has value, and every plate carries a responsibility. Wasting food also creates a mindset of negligence. A person who ignores small blessings often struggles with bigger financial decisions. This leads to unnecessary spending, rising expenses, and money slipping away without explanation. In many households, the root of financial instability is not lack of income, but lack of discipline in managing what Allah has already provided. When food is respected, barakah enters. When food is wasted, blessings silently leave. Leaving the kitchen dirty overnight affects a home in more ways than people realize. A messy kitchen, filled with unwashed dishes, uncovered food, spills, or overflowing bins, creates an atmosphere of disorder. This environment attracts insects and unwanted impurities, which not only cause health issues, but also contribute to a sense of heaviness and discomfort in the home. When the first thing a person sees in the morning is a chaotic kitchen, it immediately sets a negative tone for the day. A neglected kitchen also reflects emotional and spiritual imbalance. When tasks are left undone, stress quietly builds, and family members may feel overwhelmed without understanding why. Disorder in the kitchen often spreads to other areas of life, making financial and personal responsibilities harder to manage. A clean kitchen, however, encourages clarity, calmness, and gratitude. Maintaining cleanliness invites ease. Neglecting it invites unnecessary hardship into daily living. Playing music in the kitchen may seem harmless, but it has spiritual consequences that many overlook. The kitchen is a space where nourishment is prepared, and whatever atmosphere surrounds a person during this time affects the state of the heart. Music, especially with inappropriate lyrics or distracting rhythms, can create an environment where mindfulness fades. This reduces the sense of calm and presence that should accompany the preparation of meals for the family. Spiritually, music shifts focus away from Allah's remembrance. When the heart becomes occupied with tunes and entertainment, it becomes less receptive to tranquility. This affects the household's overall atmosphere, making it harder for barakah to settle and for peace to remain consistent. Over time, families may notice irritability, tension, or unnecessary disagreements happening more often, without realizing that the environment contributed to it. Replacing music with silence or beneficial recitation strengthens peace and keeps the home spiritually protected. Arguments in the kitchen create a destructive emotional atmosphere that affects the entire household. The kitchen is one of the busiest places in a home, where family members often cross paths. When voices are raised, blame is exchanged, or irritation becomes common in this space. It creates emotional tension that lingers long after the argument ends. This tension can remain in the minds of children, create discomfort for spouses, and replace warmth with anxiety. Consistent conflict in the kitchen also weakens family bonds. Meals are meant to bring people together, but when the area associated with food becomes a place of negativity, people naturally begin avoiding each other. This distance affects communication, trust, and the willingness to spend time together. Over time, relationships become strained without anyone fully realizing how it started. A peaceful kitchen encourages unity. When families protect this space from arguments, it becomes a source of comfort and connection for everyone. Cooking with emotions like anger, stress, or jealousy affects more than just the mood of the person preparing the meal. The emotional state of the cook often influences the energy of the home, because whatever is prepared during that time carries the imprint of the feelings behind it. When someone cooks while overwhelmed or resentful, it creates an environment where warmth and comfort are replaced by unease. Family members may sense this shift without understanding its cause. Emotions also shape behavior in subtle ways. A person who is upset may rush through preparation, make careless mistakes, or become easily irritated with others in the kitchen. These reactions create unnecessary tension at home and can turn meal times into moments of discomfort rather than relaxation. The kitchen, which should represent care and nourishment, starts to feel heavy or stressful. Preparing food with a calm heart brings harmony, creating meals that contribute to emotional stability and a peaceful family atmosphere. Using haram income to purchase groceries affects the spiritual foundation of the home in a deep and subtle way. When the source of earnings is impure, whether through dishonesty, exploitation, interest-based dealings, or unethical practices, the things bought with that money lose their blessings. Even if the food looks normal, its impact on the household is different. Families may feel constant financial pressure, unexplained difficulties, or a lack of satisfaction, no matter how much they spend. Haram income also brings instability to relationships. When provision is not earned in a clean manner, it creates emotional distance, distrust, and hidden tension among family members. The heart naturally becomes restless, and this restlessness affects communication and decision-making. Children may also pick up attitudes or habits that lead to more problems later without knowing the root cause. Pure earnings bring peace and stability, while impure income silently invites hardship and removes the harmony every household needs. Forgetting to say Bismillah before cooking or eating disconnects the act from its spiritual protection. These simple words invite Allah's blessings into the food and keep harmful influences away. When they are omitted, the meal becomes just a physical activity rather than a moment of gratitude. This lack of remembrance weakens the spiritual atmosphere of the household and allows negativity to settle in unnoticed. The habit of beginning without Bismillah also affects the mindset of the family. It encourages a rushed and inattentive approach to daily life, where gratitude is overshadowed by routine. Over time, this can lead to emotional dullness, reduced appreciation for sustenance, and a sense that things are never truly fulfilling. Children raised in such an environment may also grow up without understanding the value of thanking Allah. Saying Bismillah restores mindfulness and protection, turning ordinary meals into moments filled with calmness, gratitude, and hidden blessings. Alhamdulillah, now you know the 7 hidden things in your kitchen that can silently affect your family and wealth. By removing these habits and inviting barakah into your home, you can experience peace, unity, and blessings in every meal. May Allah fill your home with happiness, abundance, and mercy. Ameen. If you found this beneficial, like, share, and subscribe to Profound Deen. Comment below with the dua you make before meals to inspire others and earn rewards.